fairy tale finish.
Son dinks it forward. Van Persie! Wonderful goal from Van Persie!
In it goes, Lacazette, here he is! Brilliant finish! Lacazette blasted into the Tottenham net!
Wilshere again, Sharvin, nice touch by Shamak. Wilshere, Shamak is in here, 3-0, well it was a wonderful goal at the end.
This is good from Arsenal, Wilshere, Giroud, look behind you, Ramsey, Gnabry, yes, a first goal! Coquelin meets it, Perez is in there, Koscielny! Happy birthday, Laurent Koscielny, Arsenal's player of the month!
Van Persie, great strike, what a goal! That is a brilliant goal from Robin Van Persie, his 29th goal of the season.
Gibbs goes inside then outside, Giroud, Podolski's in for a second, he tees it up, oh that's a beautiful finish from the little magician!
I shove it. Van Persie, Nasri, still Samir Nasri, can he finish? Yes he can! Did well to get away the challenge, Cazorla could strike, what a goal! Santi Cazorla, that was an absolute gem.
Lifts one in, Giroud waits, oh greatly brought down, oh that's absolutely fantastic from Olivier Giroud!
They're both waiting, it's Sanchez, brilliant! Wonderful finish from Sanchez.
It's Ozil, it's in! 2-0, Mesut Ozil!
Oh, yes! Third time lucky!
Xhaka gets plenty of venom and blasts it into the back of the net. Arsenal back in business here at...
Struck by Arteta, wonderful! What a strike!
25 yards out, the Chilean takes, oh that's delightful! Alexis Sanchez with a beautiful free kick!
Thought about the shot, now plays one in, it's a good ball, there's Ramsey, what a goal from Aaron Ramsey! An absolute rocket!
The Oxlade-Chamberlain ahead of him, played into the young England player, back to Rosicky, Arsenal lead! What a start! Arsenal ahead in 1 minute and 12 seconds. What a goal!
Bellerin seeking out Aaron Ramsey. Aubameyang! Oh, brilliant! He took it first time and with devastating effect. Ozil. Giroud took it away from Ramsey to shoot and to score.
Look at the space for Alexis Sanchez. Got through one challenge, 3-0! Devastating finish from Alexis Sanchez!
Welbeck teeing up Bellerin maybe. What a finish that is! Brilliant goal from Aaron Ramsey. That is so well taken.
Work rate will be very interesting to see. Oh, that's absolutely sublime! Pick that one out! Granit Xhaka!
Twisting, turning. That's a penalty, is it? No, he's still going. Oh, how about that? How about that?
Carried on into the penalty area, here he is. And then Giroud! What a goal! Brilliantly worked, fantastically finished.
Well, here's Ramsey and Alexis Sanchez, great footwork, 3-0! Liverpool blown away, a 3-goal, 8-minute Arsenal blast!
For Alexis, blocked by a Newcastle defender, still not cleared! Wow, what a volley! Where others failed, Ozil has succeeded!
Oh, well won, Arteta. Don't fancy a dip here? Yes! Arsenal have their breakthrough! Mikel Arteta, they deserve it!
Oh, they're behind again. It's amazing. It's Aaron Ramsey. That's the response of Arsenal.
Ryan Iwobi, nicely done, brilliantly done. Bellerin, Walcott! Sensational Arsenal goal!
Is that a handball? No.
Nothing the play can do. Great, what a goal! Arsenal have made it 3-0. Jack Wilshere with an absolute thunderbolt.
Song.
Henry, chance, goal! He may be cast in bronze, but he's still capable of producing truly golden moments.
Delicately finds Ramsey. He can shoot now. Oh, it's a delightful finish. 10th goal of the season for Aaron Ramsey.
Tripping over the ball by the looks of it. No, he's still
It's
got
away
it.
now, though. Walcott, half a chance. What are we going to see? Theo Walcott smashes Arsenal in front of Stamford Bridge.
Giroud. Back to Podolski. That is an absolute stunner.
Well, it looks as if it was far too congested.
But, I think it's needed at the moment. Good ball, here's Van Persie. What a goal that was! Sheer quality for Robin Van Persie, found by Son.
It is the little Spaniard, Santi Cazorla! Arsenal 1, Hull 2. A classic free kick.
Sanchez. Oh, Sanchez has scored an absolute beauty.
Fabregas. It's Nasri. Can he go all the way here? Still Nasri. Looks for Shavin! Here's Giroud. Oh, brilliantly taken. Absolutely brilliantly taken by Aaron Ramsey. He's got one right, and Arsenal finally lead.
Flag stays down this time. This could be the winner for Arsenal. Ozil, beautiful skill. He must score. Still Ozil. Oh, well, that was quite remarkable. But Mesut Ozil looks like he's won the game.
Here's Lacazette again. Mkhitaryan, lovely movement. Ramsey scores brilliantly, quite brilliantly.
It's clever from Nasri, very clever. Brilliant play from Nasri. What a goal! It's a goal worthy of the prize.
Back heel from Bellerin to Ramsey. Mkhitaryan to help it on. Aubameyang. Oh, and then Ramsey with the most delightful of finishes. It was only his second touch of the ball after he'd come on.
Competitions. And you sense they haven't finished yet. Here's Bellerin. Ozil lets it run. And a lovely return to Mesut Ozil. Aubameyang. Gorgeous, glorious, wonderful Arsenal goal.
Outswinger, headed out by a Galatasaray player, driven back in. Oh my goodness me! What a brilliant goal by Aaron Ramsey. That has to be a contender for goal of the season.
It's just not happening for them.
No, I think there'll be a few words from Poyet at half-time, but Arsenal is simply too good at the moment. Rosicky, beautiful play, Thomas Rosicky, that is a wonderful goal from Arsenal. The football there was quite magnificent, and a lovely finish.
Giroud in the middle, Perez joining him, in it goes towards Olivier Giroud! Oh my goodness me! What a fantastic goal by the Frenchman! Even he is surprised. What a finish! What a way to get 2017 underway! Wilshere, Cazorla, Giroud gets it back through Wilshere, onside, and scores. Norwich completely static.
Wow, what football this is from Arsenal. Absolutely unstoppable.